There's a dead cat inside my car. See that? In here. In here. I think you can see the feet in there. Yeah, that one. Early morning when I start my car, it has been noisy, crazy noise, or foreign noise that I don't know what it is. And then suddenly, my engine noise is really different. So I wonder what happened. So that's why I checked. I went to the service in Wood service, and they said, and I told him that I suspect there is a cut inside, and it's true. There's the cut. That's the cut. See, it's a feet of cut. No, it's dead. So sorry. It happened. And my car is so dusty. That's it.